Assalamualaikum student, this is the continuing of geography lesson number 6. So let's start with the new paragraph. Equatorial region. This region is located between 5 degree north and 5 degrees south parallel of the equator. Hot and humid climate in this region leads to many diseases. Dense evergreen forests are mainly seen in this region. A great variety in animals is seen in this region. Human settlements are few in this region. Okay, student, now go to the next paragraph. The natural region given in the table are found in specific latitudinal extent between the equator and the poles. Availability of water and temperature found there determine the location and extent of this region. Besides the region mentioned above, there are some more regions which stand out due to local conditions. They are the monsoon, the Mediterranean, and the West European region. While the monsoon and West European region stand out because of specific winds blowing there, the Mediterranean region is known for its rainfall in winters. These are described in the table given below. We will learn one by one. So the first one is monsoon region. North and south of the equator between 10 degree and 30 degree and north and south parallels areas Indian subcontinents, Philippines, West Indies, North Australia, East Africa, America, etc. So this region is located in north and south of the equator between 10 degree and 30 degree north and south parallel. This region receives rains in specific seasons from southwest. Monsoon, semi evergreen and deciduous forests are mainly seen in this region. Many types of animals and birds are seen in this region. People from this region are mostly involved in primary activities. Okay, now go to the Mediterranean region. This region is located between 30 degree and 40 degree parallels in both the hemisphere. In the western parts of continents, dry summer and rainfall in winters are the main climatic feature of this region. Trees with thick, small and oily leaves are found in this region. Grass in low rainfall areas and coniferous forests in mountainous areas are also seen. Domesticated animals are found in large numbers in this region. In ancient times, Greek and Roman civilization flourished in this region. Now go to the next region, West European region. West European, this is located between 45 degree and 65 degree north and south parallels. In the western parts of continents, it rains throughout the year in this region. Climate in this region is mild. Green grasses are seen all the year round in this region. Trees in this region shed their leaves in winter. Animals are found in large numbers in this region. People from this region are industrious and enthusiastic. They are mainly involved in secondary and tertiary sectors. Okay, student. Natural region standing out due to specific continental location. There are certain regions on the earth that stand because of their specific continental location. For example, the China, the type region, the Saint Lawrence region, etc. Okay, now natural region and diversity in human occupation. Monsoon region, agriculture and allied activities form the main occupation of the people in monsoon region. Equatorial region, occupation that are based on the forest produce such as gathering gum, honey, rubber, lac, etc. are mainly carried out by the people in equatorial region. Taiga region. Taiga is a softwood forest, therefore lumbering is the main occupation of the people in Taiga region. Tundra region, hunting and fishing form the main occupation of people in Tundra region. Grasslands region, nowadays extensive farming is undertaken by people in grasslands region. Okay, student. Now, natural resources. Significant differences are found in the environment and available natural resources in different natural regions. The use of natural resources depend upon the progress in science and technology of a particular region. Similarly, the history and cultural organization of a particular region also affect the use of natural resources and the life of people. The earth is one single family, not only human life but also the entire living world on the earth depend on the available natural resources. Okay, the concept of the earth is one single family will become a reality only if we think of all the living organism while utilizing the natural resources. Now the last, as one travels from the equator to the poles, the spectrum of biodiversity narrows down. This leads to the issue of availability of natural resources. This adversely affect human occupations in monsoon region. Agriculture and allied activities form the main occupation of the people in equatorial region. Occupations like gathering of gum, honey, etc. are all based on forest produced. Okay, taiga is a softwood forest, therefore lumbering is the main occupation. There in tundra region, the main occupation is hunting and fishing. Significant difference are found in the environment availability source in different region. The use of resources is dependent on that region's progress in science and technology. So similarly, the history and cultural organization of that place also affect the life of the people. Now here we completed this lesson. I hope you all understood this. So take care and thank you.